Hi everyone, in this section I'm going to introduce a very practical feature that's especially useful during the actual soldering process. It's called the Soldering Assistant tool in EasyEDA Professional. This tool is mainly used when your PCB has already been fabricated and you are getting ready for manual soldering or debugging. It lets you simulate the soldering stages inside the software. So you can look at the real board and the PCB in EasyEDA at the same time, making it much easier to locate components and check their positions. First, let's take a look at where to find it. In the PCB editor, go to the top menu and click Tools. At the very bottom of the drop-down list, you'll see Soldering Assistant tool. Click to open it. Once you enter this mode, the interface changes slightly. On the left side, components are grouped by package and reference designator, showing all the parts on the board. On the right side, you'll still see the 3D view of the PCB. When you select a component from the list on the left, that component will be highlighted on the board automatically, and it works the other way around as well. If you click a component in the 3D view, the list on the left will automatically jump to the corresponding item. This is extremely helpful during manual soldering or board debugging, especially for component-dense PCBs, as it helps prevent mistakes and missed parts. After you finish soldering a certain type of component, you can simply check it off in the list to mark that part as complete. At the top, you can also switch between different display modes, such as showing all components, hiding soldered components, or displaying only the components that have already been soldered. This makes it easy to keep track of soldering progress, positions, and quantities. Overall, the Soldering Assistant tool is perfect for hand soldering, small batch assembly, as well as teaching and debugging scenarios. That's it for this tip. I'll see you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.